We're going to start things off with our operations and maintenance category, but to set the stage, we're going to have one of our platinum sponsors, NYSERDA, a director from that organization, Patrick O'Shai, set the stage. He's going to have a few short remarks, as in his leadership role there, he is in charge of the world's leading PropTech incentive programs. Please give me a hand in please join me in giving him a hand.
Well, thank you. NYSERDA is a proud sponsor of this event. We partnered with REBNY last year, so we're really happy to partner with REBNY and NIPM again. And we look forward to continuing to invest in this area. When technology first came out, if you think about it, technology connected us, but in many ways it disconnected us. It disconnected us from the people we live with, the people we work with. We spent more time communicating with people across the globe than we did with people around us. If you look at PropTech, we're seeing the power of technology to connect us once again. When we look at NYSERDA, the New York State Energy Research and Development Authority, we're investing in clean energy solutions to support the state's energy and environmental objectives. The building space generates about 55% of the carbon footprint of the New York State economy, and it's an area where we've been investing for decades. The primary areas that I look at investing in are engineering, planning, and design, and so we have incentives to buy down the cost of you doing that. The other area I look at is the power of technology, power of e-commerce solutions to really transform the built space in terms of how we all engage and interact. So we see lots of opportunity there. In fact, I think in New York City, for the buildings that have been actually doing their energy efficiency upgrades, the remaining low-cost efficiency that they have really is on the tenant side. And I see tremendous opportunity for these technologies to reach into the tenant space, not in a way that's oppressive, but in a way that is interactive, in a way that elevates the tenant experience at the same time. So we're really, really pleased to sponsor this competition. Thank you.